Career Coach Agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Career Coach Agent is basically designed to guide you through the every steps of your professional journey. Career Coach provides personalized, actionable advice, customized or tailored to your unique career path. It is a supportive AI coach that basically guides your professional growth. So, what all things it can do? It can conduct a skill gap analysis and recommend relevant learning opportunity. It can tailor your development plans. It can offer personalizable, actionable career advice based on your role, goals, skills, etc. It can help you support your growth with context aware, personalized insights. You can ask for a breakdown of skill development steps or networking suggestions. It basically offers you guidance on career transitions, performance improvement, and networking. So, take for example, if you want to build your career in AI or machine learning, now what are the things you're supposed to do? Or how you can guide your career path, how you do the transition from your current work system or the workforce to this new plan. Or maybe if you want to do further education alongside working in your organization as a part-time employee, so how you can manage those times, how you can manage your career, and it will help you chart a path towards promotions or new roles. So if you want to get promoted within your organization, what are the different things you can do so that you get into the attention of your manager and basically uh, get promoted for a specific role. So example, if you are a junior developer and if you want to become a senior developer, or if you are a senior developer if you want to go be a technical lead, or if you are a technical lead but you want to explore the solution architecture area, or if you want to uh, say dip your hand in the project management area. So those things can be guided by the career coach. So basically, the career coach helps you chart a path towards a new role. It will help you offer guidance on career transition, performance improvement, and networking. Now, career coach, this is an agent which is available within Microsoft 365 Copilot. However, the catch is you need to have an M365 Copilot license. So you cannot use it for free within your M365 tenant. Basically, career coach is designed to guide through every step of your professional journey. So it will help you advance in your current role, explore new opportunity, or bridge the skills gap. Now, I'll show you one example over here. So this is how the agent will look like. So it will help you build a career development plan, career transition advice, skill gap analysis, networking strategy, performance improvement, learning opportunity. So, as you see over here, I've asked one simple prompt to the career coach, like what courses, certifications, or workshop would you recommend for someone in my role to grow professionally? Only cover Microsoft AI tech, please. Now, I haven't given a context which organization I work for. I haven't given a context what do I do. So it will pick those information from your Active Directory. So it will identify, oh, Girish. Girish is a technical lead. Girish works for ABC organization. And Girish is interested in Microsoft AI. So it will start fetching the information from various sources, and then it will start suggesting me the course, certifications, or workshop which will help me elevate my career in AI. So this is how you can utilize the career coach. Now, let me go into m365.cloud.microsoft. So this is Microsoft 365 Copilot. Now here, if you navigate to all agent, you will find agent store. Now, under built by Microsoft, if you click on see more, here you should be able to see career coach. Now, career coach, if you have already installed this application, you can go ahead and open the application, or if you haven't, you will see an add button and click on add, and then this agent will be added in your tenant. Now, as I mentioned to you, this requires a license. So if you have a license, you'll be able to access the career coach agent. Now, this is the interface for career coach agent. This is a prompt window. Here you can type in prompt or ask questions. So as you see over here, it has given you some history. So what courses, certifications, or workshop would you recommend? Help me create a detailed career development plan. And it has also given you a recommendation. Like some of the recommendation would be: analyze the current skills and identify any gaps. What courses or certifications or workshop would you recommend? I'm considering a career transition. How can I make this change successfully? How can leverage my professional network to help? So these are the things you can ask the career coach agent. See more in the prompt gallery. So career development plan, skill gap analysis, learning opportunity, performance improvements, networking strategies, career transition advice. And if you want to see more, you click on prompt gallery, and here you should be able to see all the recommended prompts. So currently there are six suggested prompt. Now let's look into one by one. Career development plan. So if I click on the style, it says help me create a detailed career development plan based on my current role and future goals. So it will start looking into your information, and then it will start giving you suggestions. Let's look into the another one, skill gap analysis. So analyze the current skills and identify any gaps that I need to fill to advance in my career. Then this is the one which I just gave you an example. What courses, certification, or workshop would you recommend for someone in my role to grow professionally? Then if you're moving a transition, or if you're initiating that transition from career 1 to career 2, so you can ask, I'm considering a career transition, how can I make this change successfully? You can provide more context. So if you click on plus, you can specify, if you have a documentation, or maybe if you have your resume, it will give you more context. The agent will give you more precise information on how you can transition that career from your current career system to a new career or the desired career path. You can upload image and file, you can attach OneDrive files. Networking strategy: how can leverage my professional network to help? Performance improvement: how can I improve my performance in my current role to prepare for future opportunities? So it will start giving you those suggestions. Now let me pick career development plan. Help me create a detailed career development plan based on my current role and future goals. So let's see what this agent comes up with. So it will first start asking some basic information, like, to make this plan truly personalized, I'll need a bit more context from you. Current role, future goals, preferred skills or areas. Once I have this information, I'll create a step by step career development plan for immediate actions or the next 3 months. So I'll say, plan a goal, plan for next 3 months. So that's one thing which I want. Second, I'll say, I work as a senior consultant, dynamic, or maybe I'll just say senior consultant, Power Platform and Dynamics 365 workloads. And it has asked for what are the feature goals. So I want to excel in Microsoft AI. I want to master making agents in maybe Copilot Studio. And what are the preferred skills or area? Example, AI, cloud, project management. I want to lean towards leadership as well. So this is my prompt. So I'll just feed this prompt to the career coach, and let's see what career coach comes with. So I've given the time frame plan for the next 3 months. Now immediate actions. So clarify your AI focus. So it has given me to clarify my AI focus. Set a smart goal, like build and publish 2 Copilot Studio agent by end of March. Okay, good. Define which AI capabilities you want to specialize, whether, so there are different flavors, right? Copilot Studio, Azure AI service like cognitive open AI integration, AI and Dynamics 365. So I need to pick and choose which path I want. Then month 1 foundation, month 2 deep dive, month 3 showcase and network. So let's look into month 1. So month 1 foundation, so learning, hands on practice and leadership prep. So here it has taken that prompt leadership. So I said I want to lean into leadership role as well. So join internal mentorship programs or shadow a lead consultant in project planning. So it has put this item as well. Hands on. I need to start by building something so that I can demonstrate my capability. And it has suggested take the Microsoft Learn path, which is like I can either give an exam or I can directly learn from Microsoft Learn documentation. Deep dive. So Copilot Studio Mastery. Build complex agents using the connectors. Leadership skills. So I can take a project management professional certifications, or I can look into agile leadership. And then finally showcase and network. So portfolio and development, publish agents and document them in your portfolio, present a demo session to your team, or host a user group, which I do, and expand the network. Leadership action, volunteer to lead a small internal initiative, example AI adoption pilot, etc. So what this particular career coach agent has done is it has given me a nice path just by providing a simple prompt, and I have specified I want to do this in the next 3 months, and it has given you those information. So that means career coach will help you guide through the different areas provided you give them a proper context. Now, if you go to skill gap analysis, you can ask career coach that, hey, you're lacking in, say, some area. Like, okay, I do a lot of work in Power Platform, Dynamics 365, but I do lack a skill set in Python, because Python will be mostly used in AI development, AI configuration. So I would like to learn Python. So I can ask career coach that, hey, I want to learn Python. What are the best source, or how can I do it? What are the plans? Like, how can I master Python in the next 6 months? So it will give you those information. Learning opportunity, what courses, certification, or workshop would you recommend? So again, you can ask career coach about it. And I'm considering a career transition. So how can I make this change successfully? So let me give a weird prompt over here. I am a GP and I want to transition into transition into development of AI solutions for enterprise. So I'm a GP currently, and I want to transition into development of AI solution for enterprise. So this is like a bit of diverse field, and I want some information from Copilot. So over here, career coach has given me that, oh, you mentioned that clarify your target role first. So you mentioned AI solution development. So I'll say, show me AI learning path in my company, find internal mentorship program. First, clarify your target role, assess your current skill. So as it is identified, I'm a GP, so I'll be more interested towards domain expertise in healthcare. I have got a good analytical and problem skills as a GP. I have an experience with compliance and ethics, so that is critical for AI governance. So it has given you a strength. So first, it has given you a strength of what you are currently, how you can utilize that in the AI sector, and it has identified the gaps. So it says, oh, gaps likely include programming, because as I was a GP, I was doing medical things. I have no idea about programming. I have no idea about machine learning. I have no idea about enterprise architecture. I don't know anything about cloud. For me, everything is a software or a service. So I need to first learn this and then bring that GP expertise and then merge with the technical skills. And this is the learning path. So in the next 2 months, the system has suggested me to learn Python or data science, take an AI fundamentals exam, and in the next 3 or 6 months, I need to do so and so. So that's how basically it has given me that guidance. On the step 4, it has given me leveraging my health background. So your medical expertise is a differentiator. Many enterprises need AI solutions for clinical decisions, predictive analytics, and healthcare compliance automation. So that's how the uh, the career coach agent has provided me those kind of output. And again, I would require company support as well. So most organizations have internal learning portals or career transition program or mentorship opportunities in AI team. So that's how I get the response. So overall, career coach is best if you want to do some sort of a transition, if you want to learn something, if you want to have a clear career path suggested by someone based on some specific scenarios. The more information you feed to your Copilot, the agent will help you give you a more precise response. So that's it, folks. This is all about career coach. I would highly recommend exploring career coach for your internal uh, development, and also when you're working for an organization, if you want to grow into that career path, if you want to climb the corporate ladder, this would be a good example to start with. Thanks for watching.